Hello colleagues, welcome to Managing Discussions. In this video I'm going to take you around the course. You will get this email in your D2L communication, but maybe you don't see the course right away. You might need to change this right here to training, and then the course will appear. So when you come into the class, you'll see the news on the home page. I try to post news virtually every day in this course. The next thing you should do when coming in on a daily basis is come to discussion. But on your very first day, I hope that you will actually click through the entire course, checking out every link. There are some neat features. If you use your bookmark tool, you can, start reading here, and then perhaps you see something of value here, and you can leave a little bookmark on it. And then when you come over here, you can get right back to that page. But also when you close D2L, this opens to the same exact page you were on when you left. Okay. You'll see here that we have a couple of modules. The course starts slowly in the first week, so it'll just be one discussion open for 2 days, and then by the end we'll be racing through it. We'll have 2 discussions open. One will start one day, and the reply posts will be due on day 2, which will also be the day that another discussion will open, and you'll have to make your first post in that other discussion. Okay, so once you've got that all figured out, come over to discussions. We have a couple of open forums here where you can just ask general questions. I check those when I come to discussion every time. However, this is a place where I encourage you to help each other. Don't wait for me to answer. If you know the answer, then help each other. Then we're going to come right here and you're going to introduce yourself. And then this discussion won't open until Wednesday, but if you, like me, have less busy early week than late week, you might want to compose these in Word and just hold on to them until these discussions open. Because see here, you can see the prompt. And then, of course, all the information for those is here in the content modules. And then here we can access discussion again. We can go into the Dropbox. There's only one assignment at the end. This is a synthesis paper. I'll tell you right now, this is for you. This is the paper that you publish for yourself to remember everything we learned here. So I'm going to permit self-plagiarism, and I really want it to be a collection of information that you gathered, more than I'm going to really worry about your APA formatting or about you writing new original thoughts in this final assignment. Really think of it as a synthesis in the true sense of the word. You're going to collect all the information and figure out what your take-home messages are. Then we'll look over here at the quizzes. There are 2 quizzes. They're both due on Thursdays. Just roll through that. It's very simple. Helps you to check your knowledge. You can check your grades here. In the communication tab, you can find access to your peers and then also find my email. And excuse me, that's in the class list. And then here in the internal messaging, this should be the way that you email me unless you're in an emergency situation, or I specifically ask you to use the external tool because I need to rope someone in who's not in this class. Now over here, there are some tools. We won't use all of those tools, and you are accustomed to seeing those, I assume, in the classes that you're teaching. So that's it. 4 minutes, 4 seconds. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I will be working really hard on the first day to introduce or reply to all of your introductions. So please bear with me. The first 2 days are really the most intense for me. I promise I'll say hi to everybody, and I hope you get to know each other as well. Thanks.